Since Applied Materials provides equipment, software, and services for manufacturing semiconductor chips and advanced displays, it's benefiting from the growing demand for advanced chips used in AI and high-performance computing workloads. It's well regarded for its etching, deposition, metrology, and inspection tools, in particular for its SIM3 Magnum etch system, which has generated over $1.2 billion in revenue since its launch in February 2024. Applied Materials' broad portfolio of solutions has given it a competitive edge in the semiconductor equipment market, differentiating it from competitors like Lam Research, KLA Corporation, and ASML Holding, which specialize in specific areas. This comprehensive approach has helped Applied Materials maintain strong margins, with a gross margin of 49.2% in the second quarter of fiscal 2025. In the near term, macroeconomic factors have somewhat stabilized with China's agreement to restore rare earth magnets export licenses for 6 months and the U.S. lifting countermeasures, reducing the risk of a broader ban on semiconductor equipment. Yet the constant threat of export restrictions is likely to keep impacting revenue for the foreseeable future.